In a world where courtroom drama meets real-life revelations, one woman held the gavel and the nation's attention, Judge Faith Jenkins. Best known for her role on Divorce Court, Faith's sudden departure raised eyebrows. Why did she really walk away from one of television's most iconic courtroom shows? And what relationship truth has now been exposed that no one is really talking about? Stick around as we unpack the rise, the exit, and the emotional layers behind Judge Faith Jenkins' life-changing decision, plus the personal relationship twist that's been hiding in plain sight. Before she became the face of courtroom TV, Judge Faith Jenkins was already a force to be reckoned with. A Louisiana native, she graduated first in her class from Southern University Law Center, and began her legal career as a litigator in New York City. She then became a prosecutor in the Manhattan District Attorney's Office before making the jump to television, where she served as a legal analyst for MSNBC, CNN, and Fox News. Her sharp intellect, composed demeanor, and compassionate delivery led her to her first show, Judge Faith, which ran from 2014 to 2017. But it wasn't until 2020 that she truly stepped into the spotlight as the presiding judge on Divorce Court, succeeding longtime host Judge Lynn Toler. Audiences quickly connected with her blend of tough love, real-world advice, and empathy. In 2022, after just 2 seasons, Faith Jenkins suddenly announced she would not be returning to Divorce Court. Fans were stunned. No official controversy, no blowout finale, just a quiet exit. Many asked, why walk away from such a powerful platform? Some speculated burnout, others hinted at behind-the-scenes tension, and a few even wondered if personal issues were at play. But in truth, the answer was more layered, and more inspiring, than any tabloid theory. Judge Faith left not out of conflict, but out of clarity. In 2022, she and her husband, R&B singer Kenny Lattimore, announced they were expecting their first child. The news came alongside another big reveal. Faith would be launching her own true crime show, Killer Relationship with Faith Jenkins, on the Oxygen network. She was no longer just someone interpreting love gone wrong from a courtroom bench. She was about to experience love at its most vulnerable and powerful level, becoming a mother. Faith shifted her focus to motherhood, personal fulfillment, and storytelling on her own terms. Now here's where things get personal, and where the word exposed takes on a different meaning. While fans searched for drama, the real revelation was her marriage to Kenny Lattimore. The two married in March 2020 in a beautiful Los Angeles ceremony. What many didn't realize at the time was just how deeply this relationship was influencing her career. Kenny, known for hits like For You and Never Too Busy, described Faith as his muse. The couple spoke openly in interviews about shared values, therapy, and growing through each other's past trauma, including Kenny's revelations about childhood abuse. Faith, who had spent years helping couples sort through toxic communication and mistrust, was finally getting to experience a relationship rooted in healing and emotional maturity. This wasn't just love. It was evolution. Of course, when someone steps out of the public eye, especially a strong woman, rumors begin to swirl. Some speculated she left because her marriage was crumbling. Others suggested she was pushed out by producers or that she had beef with her replacement. None of that is backed by any credible sources. In fact, her departure seems to have been by choice and by design. She traded a syndicated bench for a more flexible, purpose-driven career, and to focus on building her family. Sometimes, when people disappear from the spotlight, it's not because of drama. It's because they've found peace. Since stepping away, Judge Faith has thrived in her new roles. As a mother. As a wife. And as a creator. Her Oxygen show dives into real-life love stories that ended in crime, drawing on her expertise in both law and human relationships. Her book, Sis, Don't Settle, encourages women to know their worth in love and life. She still inspires. Still educates. But now, on her own terms. So there you have it. Judge Faith Jenkins didn't leave Divorce Court because of scandal. She left because her life was calling her in a new direction, one of deeper love, purpose, and self-defined success. And the relationship exposed. It's not a breakup. It's the beautiful, evolving bond between Faith and Kenny Lattimore, a reminder that love can be intentional, healing, and transformative. Let us know what you think in the comments. Did you miss her on divorce court? Have you seen Killer Relationship? And do you believe her story inspires a different kind of power? Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dive celebrity stories that go beyond the gossip.